ready to launch in 3, 2, 1. When you arrive at your destination, please focus and have fun. Welcome to your future. To learn, just press play.
Welcome back! I have a new and exciting mission for you. We will be using our skills to spell and write words with our focus sound ch. Remember, press pause when you see this symbol and hear this sound. Follow the directions and press play as soon as you're done. Don't waste any time. I want you to be able to earn all of your letters to the secret code to finally find out what the secret message is. Looks like it's time to get started.
Today, you will need your pencil and scissors, but you can put them aside for now.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 51, write the letter D. Above the number 13, write the letter R.
I welcome you to the Focus Sound Review. I am the Master Magician. I will say the letter combinations, and I want you to say the sound before I make them disappear. Ready?
AR can make the sound R. AW and AU can make the sound Ah. CH can make the sound Ch. PH can make the sound OW and OU can make the sound Ow. Powerful E can make the vowels say their name A-E-I-O-U. SH can make the sound Sh. Shy E has a different job but doesn't make the vowels say their name.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 20, write the letter E. Above the number 63, write the letter A.
We are going to warm up for your mission by stretching and exercising. Listen for the focus sound ch and pay attention to how your mouth moves when you say that sound. Make sure you have enough space and give others their space too. I will say a word. We will stretch out the word as we stretch. Then say each sound in the word as we do each exercise movement. Remember, every time your mouth moves, you're getting ready to say a new sound. You know, every time you move your mouth, freeze and say the sound. Freeze and say the sound. Freeze with your exercise, of course. Today, we will bow when we stretch out the word, and we will push each hand forward when we say the sounds, and come back together and say the word. Are you ready? Pitch. Ready? Pitch. 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 Chum. Ready? Chum. Ch. Chum. Hatch. Ready? Hatch. Atch. Hatch. Chick. Ready? Coach. Ready? Coach. K-O-Ch. Coach. Chess. Ready? Chess. Ch-S. Chess. For this part of the mission, you will need your scissors. I want you to cut out the emoji friend in the top corner of your paper. Then, press play when you're finished. Press pause now. Welcome to our game show called Where's the Sound? You have to say the sounds in the word to figure out if our focus sound ch is hiding behind door number 1, door number 2, door number 3, or door number 4. Put your emoji friend that you just cut out on the paper where you think the sound will be. We will open the doors together to see if you are correct. Are you ready?
Say the sounds and put your emoji friend where you think the sound ch is in rich. Okay, let's check. Say the sounds in rich. Ready? R, I, ch. If you said door number 3, you're correct. Say the sounds and put your emoji friend where you think the sound ch is in chain. Let's find out. Say the sounds in chain. Ready? Ch, a, n. If you said door number 1, you are right. Say the sounds and put your emoji friend where you think the sound ch is in inch. Let's find out if you're right. Say the sounds in inch. Ready? I, n, ch. If you said door number 3, you're right. Okay, where do you think the ch is in bench? Let's see if you're right. Say the sounds in bench. Ready? B, e, n, ch. If you said door number 4, you are right. Say the sounds and put your emoji friend where you think the sound ch is in chin. Let's check it out. Say the sounds in chin. Ready? Ch, I, n. If you said door number 1, you are correct. Where's the ch in batch? Let's find out. Say the sounds in batch. Ready? B, a, ch. If you said door number 3, you are correct. Where is the ch in chant? Okay, let's say the sounds and find out. Ch, an, t. If you said door number 1, you are correct. Where do you think the ch is in stitch? Let's find out. Say the sounds in stitch. Ready? S, t, I, ch. If you said door number 4, you are a winner.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 44, write the letter M. A pattern is something that is repeated. The pattern for writing the sound ch is CH unless the sound ch is after a short vowel in a one-syllable word, then it should be spelled TCH. But this doesn't always happen. Sometimes the word goes out of control and is a pattern destroyer. It doesn't follow the pattern, like in the word such. Such should have a TCH since the sound ch is after a short vowel in a one-syllable word. But the word such is out of control and doesn't follow the pattern. It is spelled SUCH. I will alert you if there is a word that goes out of control and is a pattern destroyer.
Huddle up, team. Here we go. We must work out to get stronger so we can do our best next game. Make sure you have a pencil close by because we will need it toward the end of our workout. Follow along, count with me, and let's have some fun out there. You ready? Tap from 1 to 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake it out. Smash from 11 to 20. Ready? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Shake it out. Wiggle from 21 to 30. Ready? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Shake it out. You're going to rub from 31 to 40. Ready? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Shake it out. You're going to squeeze from 41 to 50. Ready? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Shake it out. You're going to talk from 51 to 60. Ready? 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Shake it out. You're going to stretch from 61 to 70. Ready? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Shake it out. You're going to see the pencil. You're just going to lift up your fingers from 71 to 80. Ready? 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. This time, you are going to pinch like you're getting ready to pinch that pencil. And on 90, you are going to pinch. Are you ready? So make sure you have that pencil nearby. You can stay on the ground and you can pinch it right by the point. Ready? 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Okay, you have that pencil pinched. Now you're gonna lay it down to rest. And from 91 to 100, we are going to pet our pet pencil. Ready? 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. And you are ready to write. I'm proud of the way that you performed in practice. Now it's time to see what you're really made of. It's game time. I am going to tell you a word. This time, you're actually going to write the letters in the word. You can use the boxes to sound it out if it helps. This is the moment that we put all of our skills together. We are going to say the sounds and then write the letters. Give 110%. Make me proud out there, team. Ready?
Sound out and write the word chop next to the star. Press play when you're ready to check it. The sounds in chop are ch, a, p. You spell chop C-H-O-P. Get ready for your next word. Sound out and write the word pinch next to the hexagon. Press play when you're ready. The sounds in pinch are p, I, n, ch. You spell pinch P-I-N-C-H. Point to the oval. Write the word hatch next to the oval. I'll give you a clue. You really have to think about the pattern for this one. Press pause. If you would like a hint, press play to see the hint. Hint. The sound ch comes after a short vowel in a one-syllable word. Okay, let's check it. The sounds in hatch are h, a, ch. You spell hatch H-A-T-C-H. You have the TCH since the sound ch comes after a short vowel in a one-syllable word. Point to the circle. Alert! Pattern destroyer! Alert! Pattern destroyer! The word such is a pattern destroyer. Even though the sound ch follows a short vowel in a one-syllable word, it is still just a CH. Press pause to write the word and press play when you're ready to check it. The sounds in such are s, a, ch. You spell such S-U-C-H.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 84, write the letter S. Welcome aboard this sentence sail. As your captain, I will say a sentence. I want you to count the words in the sentence. Then I will transport the sentence onto the screen. We will repeat the sentence and count the words to make sure you're correct. All hands on deck. Get ready.
Ahoy! Count the words in the sentence. Ready? I am going to the parade tomorrow. Say the sentence and count the words on your fingers or on the screen with me. Ready? I am going to the parade tomorrow. You should have counted 7 words. Count the words. Ready? My new toy is the best. Let's check. Ready? My new toy is the best. You should have counted 6 words. Count the words. Ready? Where is the blue cup? Let's check. Ready? Where is the blue cup? You should have counted 5 words. Count the words. Ready? Write your name at the top of the paper. Let's check. Ready? Write your name at the top of the paper. You should have counted 9 words.
Today we are making a sentence. You want to be proud of your concoction, So go slow and create your masterpiece neatly. First, we add a capital letter. Then, we sound out our words, one at a time, being sure to put a space in between each word. And don't forget the final ingredient, the punctuation mark. When it is all done, try it, read it back, and make sure that it makes sense. I want you to check this sentence that I have made for you. I know there's a missing ingredient, but I just can't put my finger on it. Can you find the missing ingredient?
Press pause if you would like to read the sentence on your own. Long word alert, long word alert. When you see an unfamiliar word, there are a few things you can do. Number 1, find a word or word part that you know. Number 2, break the word into parts or syllables and sound it out. Number 3, try different sounds. For example, the vowels have a long sound and a short sound. In this word, I already see word parts that I know. I will underline AR because I know that AR says R. I will underline CH because I know that CH says ch. I will underline the E on the end of the word. It may be powerful and it may be shy, so I will try both. Now, I will try to sound it out. R, T, I, T, Ch, O, K, choke. R, T, choke. Artichoke. I will read the sentence to you. I will chop up the artichoke for lunch. Press pause if you need more time to find the mistake. Did you find it? The beginning letter is a lowercase and it should be a capital. Let's fix that now. Phew, much better.
Repeat after me. I promise to check to make sure my sentence makes sense. I promise to put a capital at the beginning of my sentence. I promise to put spaces in between my words. I promise to put a punctuation mark at the end. When you're done with your sentence, you may check the boxes to make sure you have fulfilled all of your promises for this mission. You may proceed and write your sentence.
Give yourself a check mark if your sentence makes sense, starts with a capital letter, has spaces in between your words, and ends with a punctuation mark.
If you are working in a group, take turns reading your sentences to each other. Give your friends a compliment about their sentence. A compliment is saying something that they did well, like, I love how you remembered the capital at the beginning of your sentence, or great use of that adjective, or your writing is beautiful, it's so nice and neat. If you're working by yourself, give yourself a compliment. We always want to show compassion and kindness by staying positive. Well, that's it for our mission. Great job, everybody. Signing off until next time.